in the canton Unsko-Sanskom near Bihaća, and beside me there's Yusuf, he will help with the translation, and there's Šemsudinov, he's ruling the Terra network corporation of slow food, the Bihaća beekeepers. And beekeeping is a very traditional thing to do here in that region. It's a long, far-going tradition, and that area here is a very special place for beekeeping. It's these trees, they give a very famous honey, and it's all covered with these trees, so you get a real good tree honey. And wie viel produziert Šemsudinov jährlich? How much does Šemsudinov produce every year?
Ja, produziert ungefähr also 50 Kilo pro Jahr.
50.
Ja.
If it's good, it's about 50 kilogram. So es wird aber derzeit nur in Bosnien verkauft.
Ja,
It's just sold in Bosnia right now.
Ja, im Moment ist er auf Bosnien, also aber vielleicht in Zukunft haben wir Potenzial zum Außerliefern.
Okay. Right at the moment, the really delicious honey is just delivered and sold in Bosnia and Herzegovina, but just order at our website. You can there's the address, there's the email address. So go for Šemsudinov and go for the honey. It's delicious honey. It's organic. It's 100% organic. He has one of the single persons. He has a certificate. He's testified for his organic honey. One of the first ones in Bosnia and Herzegovina, and you will have a great honey. And look, we will show around. You can see these nice Bosnian bees. They are really harmless. They don't do anything. And have a look in the great woods and the great forests here. Machen wir es auf Deutsch.